Alright, I'm back. So, what we gotta do, because that is a little bit bigger here, gotta make the hole bigger to get the pin it through. I'm coming, man. Shit. Sorry. It's usually the top. Uh-oh. So what happens when you put too much pressure on it? I'll flip it around. Some more meat on the other side. Well, maybe not. Let's go with this. Alright, what we're gonna do now, let's go and see if it works. Oh! Let's see. Let's see if it's big enough. More wide. Let's see. Perfect. Hey, don't let me forget my Dremel tool. Oh! Let me finish this up. I don't know why the size is different, but it is. Pretty damn Florida. Nice and breezy in front of Dana Beach. Let's see. Missing one nut. I'll put it up here. I'll find it. That's one done and one to go. And where did you go? That's a good question. I know I'm not the only one that this happens to. So, found it. I'll keep it low so you can get both of them in the hole. Alright, then you tighten it down with a 10 millimeter. Okay, wrong one. Everything wrong. There we go. Get it nice and snug. And you put the cap on it so it don't get wet and corroded. And that screw is very hard to get out. And to be honest with you, I don't want to do that. So we're just going to leave it hanging. Or I'll just put a zip tie on the end right here. Be done with it. Black and black. Gray and gray. And click, click. Click. We're going to take this and we're just going to zip tie it like that. Hug that up here. Put that right there and hopefully he won't snatch it off again. Excuse me, I'm going to go get some zip ties. Be right back. I hope you guys having a good day. Remember, I'm not going to say today's date because that's irrelevant. And hopefully you can hear me. Putting everything back where it's supposed to be in my toolbox. Found a couple of zip ties, which I did. Something to cut it with, which I did. I'll get the hell out of here. You doing okay, man? All right. This right here, I'm going to get that to him. Then he's going to put it in the compartment with the transmitter. Okay. Sure use more than one zip tie, but it'll be okay. People looking at me like I'm crazy. Yeah. Cut it off real good and I got started up and see if it worked. Next step. Sorry about the booty shot. Fire in the hole, man.
I'm gonna lock it for you. Right
Okay, dokie. Appreciate it.
Just realized it wasn't unlocked. I walked down there.
All right. Well, you came over here just in time. Then you're gonna put this pendant wire in there. Fuck. I didn't know that, dude.
That's okay. There's got one right there.
Don't tell nobody I bought an extra one. Okay.
I'll put it in.
Now you got two. There you go. I didn't know you had one right there. There it is. All right, I'm gonna start it up and see if everything works. All right. Yeah, you got the key. Get this guy out of here. I'm gonna go around the front and make sure that the battery switch is on for the crane. Where I'm at right now in the front. Battery switch is good. There we go. Grab the remote. Turn the switch on in here. Light is up. You turn the switch on here. Light is up. Try boom up. Boom down. Okay. Make sure everything works before I lay boom up. Gonna boom up. Gonna winch down. Rotate counterclockwise. And this is actually the one I put all the relays and bridge rectifiers and everything in. I'm gonna hoist down just a little bit. Make sure the telescope works. Everything is working properly, sir. Get you off of here. Put you over here. Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna break that motherfucker.
I know.
Okay.
I just locked this side.
Okay. Oh, you good to go, boss? Yes, sir. Get this paperwork signed and on to the next job. Green Cold Springs, Florida. Catch you there.